Fluffy here, and today we are unboxing the all-new Avery Styles. OMG, friends, look, that's her name right there, Avery Styles. And look at her, isn't she so pretty? Oh my gosh, they're saying that it has over 300 looks. Of course, you know I have my helper here, and she is going to help us get this unboxed. It's so pretty. Okay, guys. Oh my gosh, let's look at the box. I'm gonna give you the top view. What did you notice, sweetie?
The boxes, they're so cool.
Right. We're getting a top view. This is how it looks from the top. Isn't that so pretty? Oh, beautiful. Shaking. And then this is a very, the wig looks a little, what's this called? But it's okay. We're gonna get it. I didn't realize how long her second wig is. That is so cute. And then just look at all these clothes, these boots, everything that comes in here. I cannot wait, friends. I cannot wait. Okay.
Let's open it.
Right.
It's like a bigger OMG.
You think it's a bigger OMG? Yeah, she is pretty
and the
big.
stand looks the same.
OMG, friends. Look at her. Avery, you are so cute, sweetie. You are so pretty.
Why, thank you.
Oh my gosh. We do have a little spritz. Not gonna lie, we're a little crunchy. So this, everybody knows that she comes with the wig already on. So I will probably, I'll just be forced to wash
What
this.
happened to the hair?
So I'll probably wash this wig. But yeah.
And then this one has spritz too.
I hope it doesn't have any hairspray in the other wig. If not, we'll just wash these wigs. But yeah, she is so pretty, guys. Look at her eyes. Look at her lips. Oh my gosh, let me see. Look at her makeup. Friends, she is cute. So look at the stitching. Holographic fabric, but then it's rainbow stitching throughout, guys. Like, this is high quality fashion.
Zip this down how I thought you could, because it looks like real.
It does, right. It looks like a real zipper, doesn't it? No, this is all just made to look nice like that. The stitching on here is phenomenal. Her shirt, she has like a little crop top under here that says rainbow. That is so pretty. And just her whole aesthetic is cute. A lot of us adult doll collectors won't even take this out of the packaging. So I really do believe that they were thinking about presentation. What can we do to sell these dolls? What can we do to get people to buy these? And I do think, because the way it came, her hair looks so pretty. So, and I've heard that's the only bad remark. And really, it's not a bad remark. You know, the consumer knows that she will have to, or he will have to wash the doll's hair when you first get it out of the package, because it isn't long and flowy. It does have some spritz in it, but that's for packaging reasons only. Look at her shoes. Let's zoom in on these shoes, because this is adorable. Like, they're like sock boots, which are really in right now. Everybody knows that. And they're rainbow. Like, they're two different. They're ombre into rainbow on each side. Adorable. Oh, she's just pretty. Look at the glitter in her wig, though, guys. Like, the glitter strands in her bangs, like, these are all multiple beautiful pastel-y, lavendery colors. Oh my gosh. The hair, like, I was told that tinsel was very hard to work with, but I think I'm gonna have an okay time getting it to work. I have gotten a lot of tips and tricks from people. People are saying if your doll has tinsel, to just run very hot water over it. So if your tap doesn't get that hot, you can take boiling water and just run the boiling water in her hair just to straighten it. You don't have to flat iron, because I know the problem with flat iron is that you could melt the hair, because I don't know if this is synthetic or not, and I know synthetic hair definitely melts. So to get it straight, definitely either dip it in hot water and let it air dry straight down, or just run, pour the a pot of hot water over. And with these being removable, oh look.
It makes it a lot easier.
Right, look guys, look friends. With this being removable, all we have to do is take this off and wham bam, thank you ma'am, dip it in hot water. Because it's plastic, I wouldn't recommend boiling this because this plastic in here might melt, but we can just dip it. Look, just dip real quick and then hang it on something to air dry. You could probably even use this stand, the back of this stand, to air dry your wig, okay? That's exactly what I would do.
Her normal hair looks fine too.
Yeah, her regular hair, she is so pretty. With this little pixie cut, she's adorable. And this is the peg where the wig goes into, and then it has the plastic peg right here. So if you want to know, friends, it's really simple to get her wig off. This is just adorable, and I just think she's so pretty. Like, oh, I'm gonna put the different types of outfits combinations that we make up at the end of this video, definitely. But this is nice, friends. Like, I am just so amazed. She is bigger than my OMGs, and I'll put her up next to probably get the Boss or something, and get Chillax and get one of my OMGs next to her. But she is so pretty. Doesn't this look like artwork to you? It looks like a piece of art that you could just sit in your house. Love this. The pink wig. Okay, friends.
It doesn't have spritz.
No spritz.
Oh my gosh, it's so,
but
it looks like it
the only
it.
the only caveat to the pink wig is that it was in there really good, friends.
I see like white strands.
You have to be really careful when taking this out to not cut the hair, because I probably cut some of my hair trying to get it out. So just be real careful. There's streaks of white in this, and definitely pink, hot pink glitter strands. There's definitely like some white blonde strands in here. Very lovely, very nice. Again, this is definitely something I'll probably have to pour a little water on the bang part. Oh, they're so beautiful. Okay, this is such a good value for your money too. The interchangeable wigs, and on top of interchangeable wigs, we haven't even got to the fact that she has all these clothes and accessories.
I'm surprised they got it to stay like it has a little like wave to it without like a spritz.
Right.
They got it to stay.
Anyway, so this is how she looks with her pink wig on. Don't mind our bangs. We will fix. She will be fired by the end of this video. Don't worry about a thing, okay? The end of this video is going to be so cute because I will have everything fixed and in order. She is very pretty with this pink hair. The pink hair kind of goes all the way. Look how long the pink hair goes, guys. It goes all the way down here. And then can you guys see the flecks of shiny strands in here? The shiny,
like there's a lot.
Right, the shiny pink glitter strands in here. Oh my god, this wig is so fire. Like, woo wee, baby. We are cute, okay? Woo. I don't know what to tell you, anybody, but she might be one of the cutest ones that I've seen. My helper loves the fact that the wheels actually work.
Cool.
She thinks it's so cool. I think it's neat too. Like all the details that MGA does for their doll lines, this is no stranger to that. They really went through a lot. Look at all these outfits, guys.
I know.
Look how many outfits. She's got jeans. She's got a little skirt. She's got a glittery sequin jacket, a shirt, another crop top. She's got a pink dress. It looks like a hoodie, a purple outfit. She is just going to be so fire. Like, this is beautiful, guys. I'm just going to show you a close-up on the clothes rack. Look at the bottom. Look at the wheels, okay? The detail in this clothing rack is amazing. Like, they really took their time and knew what they were doing when they did this. This is spectacular. Thank you. Thank you for creating this, MGA. This is too cute. I cannot, nobody can deny MGA, okay? They are the best doll line out right now, I believe. Like, I don't think there's anybody that's top. They have no competition right now because they have the best stuff out right now.
Yes.
She's looking like, all these clothes. What shall I buy, friends?
Maybe I'll buy the whole rack.
I guess I'll wear these jeans today. Okay, friends, these are her boots. OMG. Like, I have to show you guys the packaging, like the detail. The fact that they put it in this clear, beautiful box. Is so good. Like, presentation, okay? Look at these. Let me get them out.
It looks like they're a chameleon.
Yeah.
I like how it's like tropical colors.
Oh, these are beautiful. Look, friends. And it says like rainbow on the toe. And each boot is like different.
I just noticed something.
And then each boot has a different color on the sides. So pretty. So gorgeous. Like, oh, so only one boot says rainbow on the side. Okay, that's cute. The other one doesn't, but it's still cute because it's just like kind of like the signature style. This is amazing. We have these shoes. And just like I said, again, guys, the presentation, like you can just already see through the box how fire these are. I don't even have to take these out. Right. Ooh, look at the bottoms. They're so pink. So cute. Cute. Adorable. Here's how they look. Bottoms are pink. Just adorable. Next, these purple shoes. Probably to go with her little purple outfit. Very cute. The stars and moons. Very like, very cute. I just really love the whole night vibe. Moon sign. Astrological vibe with the back of these shoes. And they're purple too, like beautiful. This jacket, front and back. I'm just showing each shirt. Ooh, I like this little sparkle top, taking a page out of Supreme's book with the corset under it. And then also, really, this is 2-in-1, friends, because you get a corset with a crop top under it. So that's a good value for your money. Oh my gosh. That's 2.
Ooh.
And then we have the Anti-Sparkle Club shirt with the orange collar. So cute. Overall skirt with a little yellow tennis skirt, I would call it, with rainbow overalls. I think that is adorable. Oh my gosh. And then it has, what's this on the inside? Oh, I guess that's just like to make sure that you can get it on her. Next, we have some pants. Where's the, oh.
There's no green, I don't think.
The hanger to the pants I wanted you guys to see is so cute. These pants are cute, very cute. I'm surprised they didn't put actual real holes in these legs. Our purple top, a cute crop top. It says, "Don't call me doll." Very ironic and funny. A little jokey joke since they're dolls. So cute. Next thing is, ooh, this little skirt with the zippers on the sides, and it's made out of like the satin and the little stringies, and just adorable. This is really pretty, guys. What else do we have? Next, this might be my favorite because I, first of all, love pink. And the fact that they put tulle under sequins, and they just mixed tulle and sequins to make this beautiful corset dress with the ribbon straps, like
just like texture.
Right.
So,
it's like a princess.
I know.
So
and it
cute.
fits the pink wig.
Yes, beautiful. And then, oh, beautiful hoodie. Oh my gosh, like I can't wait to see if one of my OMGs can fit this stuff. Look at the sparkle. First of all, everybody who knows clothes knows that when they embroider stuff on stuff, like the embroidery is impeccable, okay?
Yeah.
The fact that this has embroidery on it, Like MGA, you guys just have topped yourselves. The fact that you guys take the time to embroider dolls' clothes. It has a real hoodie drawstring. Look at this drawstring, actually works.
Whoa!
To make the hoodie.
So cool.
Like,
that's cute too.
And it's pink and polka dot. Like, and then it has this so the hair can go through, so it's not like messing up. So it's this type of hoodie where your hair can go through. That's cute. Like, this whole little thing, so pretty. Oh my gosh, friends, adorable.
I know.
So cute. Well,
can we dress her up?
Okay, we're gonna get her some outfits on, do her hair, get some outfits on, be right back.